I'll tell you how Minecraft is so fun, how you can learn a lot from it, and I'll also tell you how I exactly replicated it into my own life to feel like I'm playing Minecraft every day and every day is just so fun and exciting. Minecraft is really one of those one-of-a-kind games. It was the first game that I ever wished for my birthday, and when I got it, it was the only thing I played. I remember being in creative, trying out all the cool little blocks that I've always seen in YouTube videos, but I've never used. The first thing you notice when you load up Minecraft is that it's just you and the open world. You probably spawn to a bunch of trees, you can collect those resources, and then you slowly work your way up to getting stronger resources, more food, you start building a house, you start exploring new areas, you start getting more achievements, and then one of the main goals in Minecraft is to kill the Ender Dragon. So you do that, but the best part about Minecraft is that there's no wrong way to play it. If you want, you can collect more resources. You can get different types of sheep. I know that you don't have to get pink wool to beat the game, but you can still get it if you want it. If you want to build some cool new base, if you want to get all the achievements in the game, you can do anything you want. There are endless amounts of things that you can do in Minecraft. But why does it feel like there's so many cool things to do in Minecraft, but in real life it just feels like we're doing the same thing every day? I felt like this for the longest time. I would just wake up, go to school, come home, eat dinner, go to sleep. The same thing happened every single day. And the only thing that felt different or unique was the games that I played on my computer, on my phone. And that's the thing I feel like not a lot of people think about. It's that the reason why the games are so fun, the reason why Minecraft is so fun is because you're constantly doing different things. One day you're mining, one day you're farming skeletons, the next day you're building a base, the other day you're playing with your friend. Because Minecraft can still be boring sometimes. Imagine you just went mining for 24 hours straight. That probably wouldn't be that exciting. And it's the same thing in real life. If you go out with your friend one day, if you collect some new things, you start treating your life like it is actually Minecraft. How would you want to have fun in Minecraft? How would you learn the most in Minecraft? Then you think about those things and then try to start doing it in real life. So ways you can do this is, instead of collecting resources in Minecraft, do it in real life. You can collect different types of clothing, food, money. If you like brown leaves more than orange leaves, just start collecting them more, start looking at them more. With the main goal in Minecraft being slaying the Ender Dragon, find your own Ender Dragon. Whether that's scoring a goal, winning a game, making a certain amount of money, getting this new job, getting this car, finally being able to do this skill. Make that your Ender Dragon and start working towards that. Find the diamond sword, the bow, the armor you would need to achieve that goal. That leads me to my next thing, to build yourself up. You make yourself enjoy Minecraft by having a cool base, having cool armor, maybe some texture pack, maybe some cool skin that you like, you think is funny. Do the same thing in real life. Have some clothes that you like wearing. I thought this Van Gogh shirt was cool. And then look at... You can decorate your room to how it wants to be. You can go to the gym. You can make your gameplay experience a lot better by doing that. And in Minecraft, there's also a lot of cool achievements you can do. So think of those achievements like experiences that you can have in life. Get a driver's license. Try this for the first time. Go out with someone. One day, spend more time outside than you do inside. Spend the whole day without going on your phone. Try to do some random moves. Spend the morning being outside. Wake up an hour earlier than you normally do. You can really be whoever you want, and whatever you want, you can have. And some more experiences, achievements you can do. You can start playing some sports. Use school to your advantage. Sign up for a sport. Sign up for a club. Learn how to play music. Play the piano. Make your own content. Make friends in school or wherever you can go and go out with them. Do those things you haven't tried before. That's how you'll start unlocking a lot more achievements and then get rewarded for those achievements. Before I talk about some more things that I've done which feel like Minecraft, if you like the vibe of this video so far, consider subscribing. It will really mean a lot for me. I'm trying to hit 50K subs before the year ends, so if you can help me out, I would greatly appreciate it. I'll try to be posting more cool videos like these so it can give you something to think about, give you some motivation, and I'm trying my best to help you out. So what I've been doing and what I've done are play sports. I'm playing sports in school. I've been playing the piano a lot, trying to learn some songs there. I have this YouTube channel right now. I've worked before. I've had a job. I've went out a lot with my friends recently these past few weeks, and it's really felt amazing. Found clothes that I like wearing. I got this haircut because I wanted to, and many more little cool things. And by the way, I'm only 16 as I'm filming this right now. I'm about to turn 17 in like 2 days. But if I can do this, I strongly believe that you can too. You can at least apply one thing that I've talked about, one thing that Steve does as well in Minecraft, and I'm sure you can really start feeling better because of it. There's endless opportunities you can do. Use your phone to your advantage. Use YouTube to your advantage to learn things, to apply them right away, and not to distract yourself or forget about this video and go on to the next one. So try something right away. If you want more ideas and you want to be surrounded by other like-minded people, if you want to get closer with me too, click that like-minded club in the description, completely for free. It's a cool place. It would mean a lot if you subscribed or liked this video. Let me know something you thought was interesting or cool. Also, if you're interested in making your own YouTube channel, helping people with that, I have this Calendly link that you can book a quick call in the description, and I would love to see if I could actually help you grow your YouTube. So that's really all I gotta say. Hope you enjoy this day, start punching some trees, mining some diamonds, and start getting those achievements. So that would be really sick if you start doing that. So hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care. Peace.